We're told that ABCDE is a pentagon, and we've got some measurements on there: 8 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and then the top two are 5 centimeters. And it's asking for the area of this pentagon. Quite a few of you, and I admire you for your memory on how to do this. Quite a few of you thought that this was a regular pentagon and used the formula n-2 times by 180 to find out these angles and did some splitting up technique. However, this isn't a regular pentagon because not all of the sides are the same length and not all of the angles are the same, so we cannot use that at all. What we need to do is to split it up into different shapes that we know how to work out the area of, and then add those areas together. So to begin with, the first mark that you can get, if you drew a line across here and worked out the area of that rectangle there, so we've got 8 centimeters by 4 centimeters, so that area gives you 32 centimeters squared. That would have got you 1 mark. This next part, we've got a triangle here. We could work out the area of that triangle by doing half times the base times the height. We know that the base has got to be the same as this base, so we know that this base is 8 centimeters long. However, we don't know the height. We need to know the vertical height, not the slanted height. So we need to work out what that dotted line height is there. In order to work that out, I've got a right angled triangle, so I'm going to end up having to use Pythagoras. If I redrew that triangle separately, down here, so it looks something like this, I've got my base is going to be halfway, so I've got 4 centimeters there, and my height I want to find out, and my hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. So to work out this length, I need to do 5 squared, take away 4 squared, and square root it. So that's going to give me 25, take away 16, which gives me 9, and the square root of 9 gives me 3. So I know that the length, or the height of that triangle, is 3 centimeters. So going back to the diagram, I've got that height of that big triangle is 3 centimeters. So then I could work out the area of this triangle by doing the base times the height and dividing it by 2. So again, I've got 8 centimeters times by the height, which we found out was 3 centimeters, and then dividing that by 2. 8 times 3 is 24, half in it gives you 12 centimeters squared. Then the last part I'm left to do is to add the two areas together. So I've got 32 add 12, which gives me 44 centimeters squared as my final answer. 5 marks. Done.